Let me let y'all in on a little secret. Your credit score doesn't need to be super high to qualify for a mortgage. Let's get into it. What up, fam? Willie Campbell here with eXp Realty. Hey, hit me up if you need help with buying, selling, or renting. But let's get right into the video. A lot of people believe that you need to have like a super high credit score to qualify for a mortgage. And really, that just isn't the case. Now, me personally, I'm always going to suggest that you have a credit score of at least a 650 or above if you're trying to qualify for a mortgage. That's just going to give you more options on different lenders, and it's just going to make the process easier. In reality, you can have as low as a 620 on conventional loans. And if we're talking about FHA loans, you can have as low as a 580. You can even find lenders out there that will allow you to qualify for a mortgage with a credit score as low as a 520. Now, keep in mind, the lower your credit score is, the higher those rates are going to be, and the more money you're going to have to put down. That's part of the reason why I suggest you try to have a 650 or above. And if you don't have a 650, this is how you're going to raise your credit. Now, the first step seems obvious, but you want to make sure that all your credit card balances are paid off. Once you get those balances paid off, you might even want to put a few bills on auto pay. Just make sure that if you do put bills on auto pay, you're going to be able to make the payments. That in itself is going to start raising your credit score. You also want to go ahead and get any collections paid off. Now, this is key because when most lenders are looking at your credit, they're going to be looking at collections and missing payments. So for the most part, if you have collections on your credit, you're not going to be able to qualify for a mortgage. So get those paid off and then make sure they're removed from your credit report. The next thing you want to do, become an authorized user on an account of somebody who has good credit and who regularly. Wow, I'm just now realizing I don't know how to say that word. Regularly, no, regularly pays their credit bills. This is going to help you raise your credit score without you having to do anything. But obviously, you don't want to use that card at all. I mean, I would say if you get a card, just put it away, throw it away. At the end of the day, if somebody is letting you be an authorized user, you don't want to start using that credit card and mess up their credit. The internet here is your best friend. Use Google, use YouTube, use TikTok to find videos on how to raise your credit score. And really, that's if you want to do it yourself. You can always pay somebody to help you get your credit score up. I'm not a credit specialist. There are people who are experts in this and do this for a living. So reach out to them. Most of them will be able to get your credit score up within a few months. So the bottom line is, don't let a bad credit score stop you from getting that home of your dreams. If you need help or you need more information, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to help any way that I can. Hit that like button and follow for more content.